pants at night. But if you're like me and you want that extra freshness throughout the day,
I want to live soft life.
or you work long hours, or you just want to feel like that girl, let me plug you real quick.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
The Oriflame Feminine Wash and Shaving Cream is honestly that girl. She's who she thinks she is. It is pH balanced and gynecologically tested and mild enough for everyday use. It gives you that clean without the chaos. No dryness, no fake perfume drama. Just that soft, confident freshness. And the shaving cream, babes, is not your regular harsh formula. This one is made specifically for your intimate area. It is gentle, soothing, and helps you to shave without the fear of razor cuts
No stress.
or using dangerous chemicals to shave down there. I'm not here to shame anyone, no. We're here to break the silence and break the cycle. Because your pants should not be fighting your nose.
God, I beg.
And your hygiene should not be an afterthought. So if you're ready to feel fresh and feminine and in control, this is not hypo, this is Oriflame. Now you know.